Premiere on iPhone has been getting update after update, and honestly, it's hard to keep up. So here's everything that's new in early 2026. And some of the features are really a big deal. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Keyframes are finally here. If you don't know what keyframes are, they basically let you animate things, make them move or change gradually over time, like a smooth zoom in or fading your clips in and out. Let me show you what I mean. So I have this static clip that I filmed on my tripod. And as you can see, the camera is completely locked in place. Let's create some movement. I can now go to the beginning of my clip, press this button here to add a keyframe, then move further in my timeline and zoom in. And this will automatically create another keyframe. And when we play it back, you will get this nice zoom in effect. When you tap on a keyframe and then tap this graph icon here, you get different ease options, like linear for constant speed, ease in to start slow and then speed up. You can try them out and see what works best for you. There's a lot of different presets to play with. And if you ever want to remove a keyframe, just select it and press this button here. But that's not all. You can also keyframe the opacity of your clips. So let's say I want this clip to slowly fade out to black. Then I go to the part where I want the effect to start and add a keyframe. Now I move further to where I want the clip to be fully black. Select opacity and drag it all the way to the left. That creates another keyframe. And when we play it back, our video slowly fades out to black. Next up, Enhance Speech. And this one is really crazy. So let's say you're out filming and you don't have any microphone with you. You're just using your phone. You can now tap on your clip, scroll through the menu and select Enhance Speech. Toggle the switch right here and you get two sliders. One for speech enhancement and one for background noise. So you can dial in exactly how much cleanup you want. So I filmed this clip in a really noisy cafe. I'm just talking straight into my phone, no external microphone, nothing. And here's what it sounds like. This is my voice straight from my phone, so let's see what Enhanced Speech can do. Okay, so you can hear all the background noise, people talking, dishes, it's a lot. Now let me turn on Enhanced Speech on the same clip and play it back. This is my voice straight from my phone, so let's see what Enhanced Speech can do. The Effects and Transitions library also got a big upgrade. There's a ton of new ones like light leaks, glitches, shakes, zooms, you name it. If you want to add an effect, you just select your clip and tap Effects. Then you can browse through and choose the one you want. So let's say I want to add this RGB effect. I will just tap on it and I'm done. You can also adjust the intensity to make the effect stronger or more subtle. They also added a bunch of new transitions. Just pick a transition that you like and then you can adjust how long it lasts with this slider here. You can now import your own LUTs directly on mobile. So if you have a cube file that you always use on desktop, you just go into your Looks panel, tap this plus button, import your file and you got it as ready to use preset. It also stays saved in there so you can reuse it anytime. Especially if you shoot in Epilogue on your iPhone, this makes the whole mobile color grading workflow so much easier. Generative AI. You know how you normally add clips to your timeline? Usually, you tap this button here and choose from your photo library. Well, now you have new options. Generate video and generate image. Let's start with video. And just like with images, you can then choose between Adobe's own Firefly model or their partner models. For now, I will stick with Firefly Video. I can now just type in whatever I want. So let's say an animation of a cute dragon flying over mountains. And then I hit generate and I will have this cute little video directly in my timeline. Same thing works for images. Type a prompt, generate, pick from 4 options, and you're done. So you can now basically create clips, images, and even sound effects from scratch without ever leaving the app. And the last thing that I want to show you, when you open the app, before you even start a new project, you will see these template options right on the home screen. These are ready-to-use templates for your videos, with transitions, effects, and text already built in. So you can just pick one that you like, swap in your own clips, and you're basically good to go. When you export, it also gives you the option to share it directly to YouTube Shorts. And what's actually cool is that you can also create your own templates and share them with the whole world. So if you come up with an editing style that people like, you might be a new trendsetter. Alright, and that's everything that's new in Premiere on iPhone right now. And honestly, I probably missed something because they keep updating and adding new features back to back. If you like this video, you know the drill, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.